So a typical payback for a commercial system is relative to the price that they're actually paying for power, relative to the amount of power that they're using and relative to the amount of solar that we can fit on their roof. But as a typical measure, I'd say most commercial clients fall in between 3.5 and 5 years is the normal return on investment for a system. So the long-term benefits after that return on investment period just keeps on chugging along for the next 25 years. They keep on saving money and it keeps on doing its business. So I think the core reasons most businesses consider solar in the first place is because they're worried about their energy security. So with a commercial solar system, you absolutely get that, energy security. The second concern would be they want to save money, and they absolutely do that. The third factor is that the business gets those environmental credentials that a lot of businesses like to present to their customer base. So for commercial clients, I think the reason they go for solar is it's all about saving on your energy bills and securing your energy future. In this day and age when the energy prices are always on the up, and I think this really secures that. Start to finish, this 210 kilowatt job will probably be on site for maybe 3 weeks, depending on weather. This particular site's going to save $80,000 in the first year off its bills, and over the 25-year life of the system, it's going to be $1.6 million. I think that energy saving is a real cost for businesses these days, so if they can save anywhere, then solar's a pretty easy, low-cost investment. I think installing solar is really an easy decision for a lot of commercial businesses. If you own the roof space, you are going to save money. It's as simple as that.